Hi ladies, it's Shira with Mom Beyond Baby, and today I wanted to talk to you about eating frequency. So there's so many rules out there that say, you should eat 5 times a day, you should eat 6, you should eat 3, and really the answer depends on you. So first it has to fit into your lifestyle. So if you're someone who's super busy or you're working 12-hour shifts, eating 5 times maybe isn't the most realistic for you. So first it has to fit into your lifestyle, but second, it has to keep your heck in check. So it has to keep hunger, energy, and cravings in check. If eating 3 times a day makes you ravenous in between those 3 meals, then that's not going to work for you, because what happens when we get ravenous? We just go into a meal and eat whatever we want, right? So maybe eating a smaller snack before that meal is going to help you. So I wanted to just address that because there is no right way. When you're just starting, the fat loss lifestyle, it's definitely good to eat more frequently, A, for your metabolism, and B, so that you start to preempt your hunger and you start to learn what it's like to go into a meal not ravenous and not thinking, oh, it's dinner, like I'm going to eat whatever I want. So that's a really good practice, to try to go into a meal not starving and really never let yourself get to that point of starving. We know when we get to that point, we lose all ability to make smart choices. So when you're just starting, I definitely recommend eating 5 to 6 times a day. But then as you start to develop that mindfulness, the awareness of when you're eating and that you don't really need to eat it all, you don't really need to eat that burrito or that cheeseburger just because you're at so-and-so place, then 3 times is a good, is good too. So you just have to pick what works for you. I personally like to eat 5 times a day, but that's just me. But my meals are smaller. It's not 5 big meals. But if you're someone who enjoys a bigger meal, then 2 or 3 times a day is going to be good for you. Another thing to keep in mind is that the more times you eat, the more times you could slip up, right? So if you're eating 6 times and you're really not good at making those choices yet, you're still learning that practice of, making the choice of protein over carbs or fat over carbs or whatever it is, maybe eating less is going to be better for you, because you're really not going to have that chance to choose to be in that place of, what am I going to eat 5 times a day? So just some things to think about. Again, there's really no right answer. The answer that's best for you is going to depend on you. So number 1 is lifestyle, and number 2 is, how is it keeping your hunger, energy, and cravings in check? Are you starving throughout the day? Do you need to eat more frequently? And then again, of course, are you losing fat? Hope that helps. Have a great day.